The next concept is vesicular transport. All right, vesicular, basically this word is vesicles. All right, and vesicles are like these tiny little bubbles that break off of some of the organelles inside the cell. All right, like the Golgi apparatus or the rough endoplasmic reticulum. All right, and they're just going to break off the end, and they're going to move throughout the cell. And what they typically do is they typically will carry macromolecules or other substances like neurotransmitters across the cell. And it does a couple of things with it. All right, now if it moves substances into the cell, we call it endocytosis. So endo meaning within or in. If we move it out of the cell, we call it exocytosis, kind of like, sounds like exit. If we want to just move it into the cell and then, across the cell and just kind of move it around throughout the cell, we call that transcytosis. All right, and also moving substances from one area or one organelle to another can be called vesicular trafficking. So think of it as traffic. All right, now the analogy that I like to use is think of FedEx. All right, FedEx has a fleet of vehicles, and those vehicles transport your packages all around. All right, and that's how I would like to present the vesicular transport in an analogy. Think of the FedEx trucks. Now the energy to do this is mostly as ATP, all right, but sometimes GTP will be used as well.